everyone. In this video I will show you a template where you need to specify the goal and the AI model will build step by step how to achieve this goal. This is an AI system that uses GPT-4 on autopilot to manage tasks. Applications built on the GPT API are basically limited on single session use, meaning that the model can't recall information from previous interaction. The goal of these new apps goes beyond simply automatic, aggregating or teaching the machine learning agent how to recognize a task. BabyAGI combines GPT-4 with Pinecone a vector database to swap a new agent in order to complete complex tasks without losing focus on the original objective. Let's go to our workspace. To create this application, we need just one UI system, one thread system. In UI system, we have just 2 pages, 3 APIs in this one, and I think 4 in this page. I show you these pages how it's work. On the thread system, it's really small for application like this. We have 3 flows to save our credential and environment, and we need some flows for example, to start agent, stop agent, get our task that was created, and create index at get index status. Okay, let's go to our application and to app settings. We need to set up with Pinecone API key. We need Pinecone also environment, table name, and OpenAI API key, and press create config. And we see that our table has been created. We need to wait for initialization. Go to demo page. And we see our status. Now it's in initialization. We need to wait just a few seconds. After initialization, I just need to put that my task that I need to solve. And BabyAGI will solve my task using 3 unbuilt agent. It will create tasks and solve them in its memory and continue executing a new task. We see that our status ready and we can put name of the task and solve it. My goal will be solve world hunger and I press start agent. And we need to wait for response. And we see our results. Current task is develop a task list and we see result number 1. Also you can read this result and you see that also created next task. And we have current task, that was task the next there. New information we will see on the top of this list. We see result, how to achieve this goal. And we have next task. Now we wait how we can achieve this task. The main idea behind this system is that it creates tasks based on the result of previous task. And also it's remember our main goal. And see next our current task. That was previous task from this. We see also result and it's create next task and now it's syncing. I can stop the agent and also I can save all this task to use it in my future work, for example. That's all for today.